Yo, what's poppin', people? Your boy Snacks is back in the building with another banger. And you know how we do. Before we get started, go ahead and do your boy solid and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Please, whatever you do, don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. Click the bell so you'll know when your boy is going live or dropping this heat. And I want to talk to y'all about something because I think what Prime will do in this portal with this one player is going to be nuts. Now, what we got coming to Colorado is Juju Lewis, right? Juju Lewis is one of two of the best quarterbacks signed in this year's class. But also in the transfer portal is a superstar quarterback. And everywhere I've looked, all I've heard is Colorado needs a stopgap. Needs a stopgap quarterback for Juju coming in. And that one player that keeps coming up is Liberty quarterback Kaidon Salter. And as we know, Kaidon Salter is set to visit Colorado real soon. He's also going to Syracuse, Auburn, I think UCLA. But Kaidon Salter was the MVP of the Conference USA in 2023. Now, 2023, not this year, 2023. Former Liberty quarterback Kaidon Salter plans to visit Syracuse this week and also currently taking visits to Colorado, Florida State. Now, all this, as you can see from the graphic, is a no zone graphic. Salter's top year was 2023 when he threw for over 2,876 yards, 32 touchdowns, along with rushing for 1,089 yards and 12 touchdowns. So that's 44 touchdowns, 12 on the ground, 32 in the air, right at 4,000 yards. 2024 stats this year was 1,886, 15 touchdowns, 6 interceptions, 587 yards, and 7 touchdowns. Now, question is, do we need a stopgap? Most people say yes, some say no. I say it goes either way. But let me tell you what Colorado is. Colorado is unique. And it does things that a lot of other colleges wouldn't do. And if Kaidon Salter came in with Juju, I don't think that they would have just one starter the whole year. I think Colorado would do something a lot different than any other school. I think Colorado would run a 2-quarterback offense. And I think they do it very well. People would question it, of course. Everybody would lose their mind, of course, but it's Colorado. Nobody cares in Colorado what you think about what they're doing. Hence, Travis Hunter playing over 120 plays every freaking game. If it can be done, then it will be done. But with Kaidon Salter making this visit, and the only other school I think he would sign to would be Syracuse, because Fran Brown is creating a monster up there in Syracuse. But Kaidon is a very mobile quarterback, and he brings something unique to the table. And I think Colorado would find a way to use that skill set inside of the offense that they already have set. I think him and Juju would share snaps. And I think it would work because Colorado is unique to football. And a lot of people would actually freak the hell out. But I'm serious about Kaidon coming to Colorado and signing with Colorado. Because Prime, all you need is to get there. And getting there is easy. Leaving is the hard part. Because I think they thought this out with Juju coming in. Could we use a bridge quarterback? And how do we set Juju up for the future in the best way? And the best way is to run a 2-quarterback offense. And I want to see it happen. I think they can pull it off. I think it would be fantastic. I don't think Juju needs to sit the whole year because Juju is already ready for college. Yes, it's going to be a learning curve. Yes, things are going to be different. Yes, the game is going to be faster. But Juju is set and ready for college football more than anyone thinks he is. I've shown you the tape. I've shown you what Juju is. Juju is Shador all over again. The precision passing, the pocket presence. Juju is not a running quarterback, which Kaidon is. Kaidon Salter can move about the pocket and take off and go get it in bunches. So y'all let me know y'all thoughts. I'm thinking it could work. 2-quarterback system in Colorado. Hell yeah. I'm with it. I want to see it. Y'all hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. I think Prime has thought about it, and I think it's on his mind. Cause me and Prime like this when it comes to this stuff. I'm telling y'all know to listen to me. Y'all know I be putting you on game, telling you what's up. But I thought about that this morning. But so y'all let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Holla at your boy. We still on our way to 20K. Trying to get there before the new year. So y'all do it for your boy. Share the videos out. Do your doggone thizzle. I'm going to get out of here, man, because we got some more stuff popping off. I ain't going to flood y'all timeline too much, but it's hot right now, so I'll be back. I'm out. Peace.